Welcome, here I've got ULEFONE Armor X5 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first you have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons in this device are here. So let me try to use them and see how it works now. And as you can see, for now, by tapping on these buttons, I can easily take a photo. So let's change its function. We have to move to more advanced options, and we can do it by going to the right corner here to this button. When we tap on this, we get access to advanced camera settings here. And now let's go to this button here from the left. As you can see, this is the volume key feature, and we can pick from volume, shutter or zoom. So for now I'm going to change it to the zoom to show you how it works different. And let's go back to the camera and try to use them again. And as you can see, for now I can easily use these buttons as zoom and get closer to my subject and also go back. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.